Meaning of earthenware.
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 Earthenware. Earthenware refers to a type of pottery that is made from clay fired at relatively low temperatures. This type of pottery is known for its porous surface and brownish-orange color, as well as its rustic appearance. Earthenware is typically used for making functional items like plates, bowls, and vases, as well as decorative pieces like figurines and sculptures. It is often less durable than other types of pottery due to its porous nature, but it remains a popular choice for its affordability, versatility, and unique aesthetic.